Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi guys, we're sharing the latest information about the SLAT exam. They are now planning to have an online proctored test on the 31st of May, and all of you can now do this exam online at your own homes. The online registration will close on 20th of May, so those of you who are still undecided can take a decision by then. And the entrance test date, as already indicated, is 31st May, and the timing for the SLAT exam is 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. and as indicated, the test results will be on 10th of June. So an important change that has happened is that the test structure has changed quite a bit. The pattern is just like the last time. That means the topics are logical, legal, analytical, reading comprehension and general knowledge. However, what they've done is they have reduced the number of questions and thereby reduced the number of marks that you'll be vying for. So now there are 18 marks per section. There are 5 sections, and therefore the total number of questions will be 90 and the total number of marks will be 90 marks. What they've done is they split the timing of 2 hours into a 90-minute session for the online test and a 30-minute session for the written ability test. Now, written ability test will typically be assessed only if you make the cutoff, and therefore here in the sheet they have not indicated any marks for the written ability test. Many of you might be wondering what the word proctored means. It just means that they will be watching you take the test. So the candidate has to take the test from home with a desktop or laptop which has a webcam, and the internet connection has to be there. Now it is very important for you to make sure that your webcam is working properly, because if it isn't and they have any doubt about you appearing for the exam or being looking at any other item, then they may disqualify you. The other thing that you have to take care of is that your conduct will be invigilated by an AI, as well as some people who will be watching you on webcam. Okay, so you have to be really careful about your conduct during the exam, and even if they have an iota of doubt about your looking at some other material or asking someone about the exam, they have the option of disbarring you from this particular exam because of any malpractice that they suspect. So they've given a list of things that you need to do, okay, like you have to sit in front of the desktop, face the screen, and the webcam has to be on throughout the entire duration of the exam, and your face should be clearly visible, so there should be enough light. You should be in your formals or smart casuals while taking the test, so please do not wear home clothes or dressed in a manner which is not appropriate. And you should not have people around in the surrounding. That means they want you to take the test alone without any help. And the mobile phone number which you've given for your registration, that particular phone can be kept next to you in case they want to communicate with you during the course of the exam. Okay, so make sure that you have all your IT infrastructure in place. Please make sure you go through the desktop and laptop specifications, the operating system and other things that they've listed. And also the most important thing, and lastly the most important thing, is that on 24th May at 11 a.m. they're going to have a 45-minute session to give you clarity about the online proctored exam. And those who've already paid for the exam, those kids can appear for this particular mock test. Paradigm Law will be conducting a SLAT mock test series. Our WhatsApp number is displayed on your screen. Each mock test is priced at ₹99 only. For those who are interested, please send us a WhatsApp message and we will give you the details on the registration. So all the best and prepare well.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.